Over the past 30 years, Dr. Haruhisa Handa and his friends in Japan have been providing free emergency medical care, free elementary and college education, free vocational training, and free wells to access clean water to millions of people across Southeast Asia. Hello from Cambodia. My name is Kevin O'Brien, and I've been working with Dr. Handa over the past 17 years in Southeast Asia. There's so many exciting things happening this year. There's new buildings being built, there's new programs, and there's even new partnerships. But the impact of all these things in Southeast Asia is very personal to the people we are serving. In this video, we want to take a chance to share with you two stories of people that have been impacted by the great support of Dr. Handa and his friends there in Japan.
នៅស្រែវិញដែរមានទីធ្លាស្អាតហើយក៏នៅទីនេះរៀនអត់យល់លុយដែរហើយក៏មានសិស្សចូលរៀនច្រើនដែរពេលទំនេរជួយដំបាយជួយលាងចានជួយដំបាយលាងចានឆ្នាំងជួយដឹកគោ
Makana and his family are very poor, and 3 years ago, he was years behind in his reading and writing skills, until they found the Handa Academy.
ជាភាសាខ្មែរភាសាខ្មែរពីមុនខ្ញុំថាចេះអានតែប៉ុន្តែបានរៀននៅនេះលោកគ្រូអ្នកគ្រូធ្វើខ្ញុំចេះអានហើយចាលោកគ្រូអ្នកគ្រូហណ្ដាបានជួយជំរុញបង្ហាត់បង្រៀនមករាបានច្រើនរៀនច្រើនចេះច្រើនជាងការមិនតាន់ចូលហណ្ដាលោកគ្រូរីកចម្រើនច្រើនចាក៏សូមអរគុណដល់ជំនួយនេះដល់ខ្លាំងដែរដែលជួយឲ្យកូនខ្ញុំដែលខ្វះខាតនឹងរៀនឲ្យឥតគិតថ្លៃហើយនឹងឲ្យបានរៀនដល់ខ្ពស់ហើយសូមឲ្យលោកគ្រូ
Makana is now in 6th grade and is reading and writing at a 6th grade level. Let's go to the Handa Medical Center. Dr. Sopektra is a physician here and recently had a truly desperate case. The patient and his family believed he was going to die and were preparing for his funeral until he was admitted to the Handa Medical Center.
ខ្ញុំចាត់ទុកថាវាអត់មិនទៅខំសាររស់វិញទៅដល់មន្ទីរពេទ្យក៏មានឲ្យគ្រូពេទ្យលោកគ្រូពេទ្យក៏ទទួលរាជតិឲ្យគេជាយុទ្ធជាយាមយកចិត្តទុកដាក់ព្យាបាលអ្នកជំងឺអស់ពីបន្ទាប់ពីការព្យាបាលការរកសើលនៅមូលហេតុគ្រូពេទ្យជំនាញក្រុមលោកពេទ្យរបស់យើងក៏បានសហការគ្នាជួយសង្គ្រោះប្រទេសយើងលោកគ្រូពេទ្យខាងហ្នឹងគេជាបានធូរស្រាលមកវិញហើយបានជាដល់អរគុណសម្រាប់ឲ្យលោកគ្រូពេទ្យអ្នកគ្រូពេទ្យហើយនឹងឲ្យលោកហើយគ្រូពេទ្យHanda.
As you can see from these incredible individuals, the generosity of Dr. Handa and his friends in Japan is felt in a very personal way by the people of Cambodia who desperately need this care and support. Thank you for all you do, Dr. Handa. We wish you a great celebration of your birthday and a prosperous and healthy new year ahead.